Hey, fellow brides, grooms and wedding dreamers. If you are planning your big day and realizing those Pinterest perfect tables come with a not-so-pretty price tag, this one is for you. If you're anything like me, 1 minute you're picking colors, the next you're lost in spreadsheets trying to figure out how to make your wedding totally you and gorgeous without remortgaging your home. Well, today I've got a super simple, beginner and budget-friendly and yet totally gorgeous and elegant upscale for your wedding tables. We're going to be making these stunning custom-made napkin rings using, wait for it, toilet roll tubes. Yep, really. And trust me, they're so classy no one will guess their humble beginnings. And I'm going to show you the extra little touch I used to make these look even more expensive, professional and personalized that I haven't seen anywhere else. If you're in need of some inspiration for your theme, head over and find me on Pinterest after the video. You'll find some gorgeous mood boards I've prepared that are sure to spark your creative side. So, by the end of this video, I hope you will feel inspired and ready to get going and make this your own. And guess what? These cost me under €10 to complete. I just couldn't find anything in the shops that complemented my coastal theme exactly the way I wanted, and in my budget. So I'm so happy I made my own, and now you can too. So let's get into it. Here's what you'll need. Toilet roll tubes, a great excuse to reuse them and feel smugly eco-friendly. A pen or pencil and ruler. Scissors or a craft knife. Glue gun or strong glue. Paint, optional but recommended. Rope, ribbon or string, whatever suits your theme. Start by marking your toilet roll into thirds. They don't need to be exact, we're going for handmade charm, not laser precision. Cut them into 3 equal-ish hoops. Now here's the little extra step I added, painting the cardboard. I know, sounds fussy, but it really elevates the final look. Even if you're covering them with thick rope or ribbon, tiny peaks of colour can tie everything together and make your tables look super luxe. I used a muted coral for mine. It just peeks through and I love the effect. Next, take your rope or ribbon and start wrapping. I glue the starting end to the inside of the ring, then wrap and glue as I go. Don't worry about being too precise, just make sure it's snug. Finish by tucking the final end inside with a dab of glue. Voila! A custom, sturdy and beautiful napkin ring made with love and loo rolls. So that's it. Simple, budget-friendly and totally gorgeous. And the best part? These are sturdy enough to use long after the big day. Let me know if you give these a go. Share your own twists in the comments or tag me in your posts. I'd love to see your creations. And if you've got any questions or want help with your design, drop them below. We're all in this together. Remember, big impact doesn't have to mean big spend. You're allowed to be creative and frugal. And yes, toilet rolls can be chic. See you next time for more DIY magic.